Welcome to Pons Coaching Center. Today we are going to see about factors. Okay, what is factor? It is the product of two element. So here என்ன பண்ண போறோம் அப்படினா we are going to see the last element, multiples of this number. We have to find the factors for this. 1 into 12, 6 into 2, 4 into 3. Possible எல்லாம் பார்த்துக்கிறோம். So we are adding and subtracting. Okay, but 1 plus 12 add பண்ணினா 13 வரும், subtract பண்ணா 11 வரும். 6 plus 2 add பண்ணா it should be 8, subtract பண்ணா 4. 4 plus 3 add பண்ணா 7, subtract பண்ணா 1. So minus 1 இருக்கு. So we are keeping minus sign for biggest number. The factors for this x minus 4 into x plus 3. Like this, here also 12, the possible number 6 into 2, 6 minus 2 is 4, so here minus 4, so the possible number, because to sign for minus, x minus 6 into x plus 2. Thank you. பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க.